Hey guys, welcome to another reading. So we are going to check what is going on between your person and the third party currently. You can pick a pile, either this one or this, whichever one you want to go for. You can pick both, whatever works for you, whatever resonates for you. So let's begin by this here. What's going on with my viewers, person and the third party? What are the overall energies here? Devil, Nine of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. See, they're trying to probably work on something new. There is a possibility there are new projects or ventures or some sort of new fresh beginning that they are trying to work towards. But there is toxicity, there is control, ego, fear, there is distance, there's disconnect. They are feeling stuck in some situation here. What are my viewers' person's energies towards the third party? Five of Wands, Eight of Wands, and Page of Cups. So there is some conflict that has happened here, and possibly for some of you, I feel the children could be involved. For some of you, I feel something happened very rapidly which was not expected. Apology could be a part of this, but there is some conflict, some chaos that is going on from your person's energy. What are the third party's energies towards my viewer's person? King of Swords, Five of Cups, and Ten of Wands. So I'm going to clarify this Page of Cups in a bit, because I feel the apology that was expected, or the kind of apology that was expected from this person, from your person, did not really show up, and that is where the problem has occurred. So the third party's energy, King of Swords, being very blunt, curt about things, very practical decisions, because there is a sense of loss with Five of Cups. This person is in the grieving mode, carrying a lot of burden, unable to see a future together, probably unable to maybe console themselves about something that has happened in the past. So this is not a very happy energy, so to speak. Let me ask, what are the connecting energies? What is connecting my viewer's person and third party? Hermit, Knight of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. See, for what I feel here is that there is some sort of pushing back. There is somebody standing their ground. There is distance again that I see. It's a conflict that they are connecting with, and both of them are probably just existing there. They are observing each other and reflecting upon things. That is what I see here. There is a possibility of some sort of drama as well, but not for everyone. All right, let's see what do we have for the other pile. So if you chose this pile, or if you would like to go for both, whichever one, what is going on between my viewer's person and the third party? What are the energies between them? Sun, Seven of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. Underlying energies, Page of Swords. There is a possibility that one of them or both of them are kind of trying to keep a tab on each other, trying to track each other, what they are doing, because they are suspicious about something. Sun is about the happiness, the life that connection has. They're fighting about it or for it. But this is like, somebody is getting hurt here. If you look at this card, it seems like blood, somebody is bleeding. You're trying to put a fight, stand a ground. It's strange. Both the piles have this Seven of Wands. Knight of Pentacles as well. So you're just standing still. You're not taking any action. You're just going on with everyday life. Let's see, what are my viewers' person's energies towards the third party? Ten of Cups, Hierophant, and Four of Swords. See, Ten of Cups is an energy which represents family and emotions. So family is somewhere, influencing this person's energy. Hierophant is about marriage, commitment. It's also about traditional way of doing things. Again, so I feel like this person is married, and that is somewhere influencing, although they are a little disconnected with the Four of Swords. If you look at the line, he's sleeping. He is not, in action mode. So they are trying to keep things calm and peaceful. They're trying to, kind of create a space where there can be, if not peace, then truce. What are the third party's energies towards my viewer's person? Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, and Knight of Swords. This person is being a little impulsive. They are trying to, maybe in the past they felt they are unable to take charge of something, or they want control of something, and they are trying whatever means possible with the Seven of Swords. They are in that energy where I want to win, I'm going to steal, hide, spy, whatever I have to do. And there is a lot of restless energy that shows up with Knight of Swords. There is some action they want to take, which possibly could be manipulative or trying to maybe harm somebody, kind of a thing. What is the connecting energies between my viewer's person and the third party? Can you please tell us? Knight of Swords, very logical. Nine of Wands, beaten up but standing there. Ace of Wands. Underlying energy, Queen of Pentacles. I feel there are finances probably involved. There is security, stability involved, because of which they're both kind of trying to keep going with it, trying to fix things, thinking rationally. So although there is some hurt which I see here, but at the same time there is some new leaves sprouting. There is some sort of dance they are trying to do. So that was the reading, guys. Thank you for watching.